Can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
So I'm flying solo today on Bluey, and we did a big cleanup yesterday, so all the interior is basically relatively clean. What we have to do today, I say we, what I have to do today, I'm going to start to break down the inside of the boat because it's all coming out to be taken back to bare metal, repainted. All this old wood here has to come out. We'll decide what we're going to keep of that, then we will tip the rest. I'm going to be methodical about this. I'm going to start at the front of the ship. There's a section in the front of the ship down there, which is like a storage area, which we might end up extending the living area into. It's got a load of shelving and stuff, so I'm going to have to break that down and get that into a pile. And very excitingly today, I bought myself a brand new drill, cordless drill. This is like middle-aged porn. And I got myself a crowbar, so we're all set for breaking down the inside. All I've got to do is get on with it. Taking all of the wood out of this front section, so as you can see, we're in the front of the boat here. And through there is basically the living area, so I cleared out all of this front section. This is the bow of the boat, as you can see, nicely curved shaped bow. And the idea is that at some point, once this has all been stripped down, all this metalwork has been stripped down and repainted, this wall goes through to the main living area, and we're going to punch through that and make this part of the bedroom, possibly with a bed and a skylight. So it would be really cool once it's done. However, the first step was clearing it out and making way for getting all this metal treated. So tough job, good job done. I'm tired, I'm ready for a cup of tea. And it's raining, so I've got the tarp over me at the moment, but all the wood that's come out of this section, you can see, is all around me here. So I've just got to move that to a sensible place and then head home. Right.
If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.